not good. What's not good? There's a binder under your seat. Grab it. Last page is a checklist.
Okay.
Read the list, babe.
Airspeed 65 knots.
Check.
BMX straddle cut off.
Check.
Verify flight ring is engaged.
Check.
Initiate engagement process.
Check.
Confirm pilot is head over heels in love with the passenger.
Check.
The pilot promised to love and cherish the passenger until his dying day.
Double check. I love you so much. What do you say? Like it? You be my co-pilot.
Broken heart syndrome?
That's something.
That's a real thing.
It's probably brought on by your thyroid medication and you nearly scaring her half to death. Just coming to, that's it. Take some deep breaths.
Wait, what's happening?
I think she's actually considering